Why does your scanner show the P2445 engine code? What does it mean? P2445 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system pump stuck off bank 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a malfunction with the secondary air injection pump, specifically that it's not turning on when it should. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed secondary air injection pump, wiring issues, pressure sensor issues, PCM issues, vacuum hose problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code is occur in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Toyota and Lexus models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.